The American President Donald Trump is trying again to scale back on birthright citizenship in the United States just weeks after the Supreme Court shot down his previous attempt to eliminate the right. The president has now signed 2 executive orders, including one that expands the existing definitions of non-citizen whose children are not eligible for birthright citizenship. The second order bans the so-called birth tourism, the practice of pregnant women going to the United States only for the purpose of giving birth there so that the newborn child can be an American citizen. The president has also criticized the Supreme Court's rejection of his previous bid to end the 150-year-old policy.
What we're dealing with on birthright citizenship, we had a very unfortunate decision in the Supreme Court concerning birthright. It was close, but a very, very unfortunate decision. So we're making adjustments because it's very unfair.
And that order prohibits the automatic citizenship of babies born in the United States to 2 non-citizen parents, where one of the parents is a member of a foreign terror group, a foreign government employee, or has attempted to gain citizenship through fraudulent means, or is living in U.S. territories where citizenship is not conferred by federal statute. The birthright citizenship for people born in the U.S. territories such as Puerto Rico is codified by federal statute. Now, Trump and members of his administration, including the White House Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller, have repeatedly railed against birthright tourism, including accusing the Russian and the Chinese adversaries of taking advantage of birthright citizenship to infiltrate into the United States.
The idea that people come here pretending to be a tourist, pretending to be a visitor, saying they want to go to Disneyland, they want to go visit a monument or go to a national park, but the real reason they're here is to have a child, to make that child an automatic citizen, leave our country, and then have a U.S. citizen child. It gives them access under this broken system to welfare benefits. As of the signing of this order, hereby banned.
On one of his first days back in office in 2025, Trump signed an executive order that tried to end birthright citizenship as guaranteed in the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. A legal battle brought the case to the Supreme Court, which in June had ruled that Trump's 2025 policies could not stand and birthright citizenship remained the law. The decision was a major blow to Trump's ongoing efforts to limit who can live, work, and become citizens in the United States.
What's happening now, people are building businesses around it. From wealthy people are building businesses around birthright citizenship. That's not the way it's supposed to work. It's a disgrace. They're buying their way in, and we're not going to let it happen. So,
the Migration Policy Institute, a non-partisan research group, has said that the most expansive census-based estimate accounts for about 22,000 to 26,000 babies that were born in the United States from birth tourism every year. Government data, according to the institute, shows that there were 9,600 births to mothers with foreign addresses in the year 2024. The new order now gives the president the authority to ban birthright tourism under a section of the Immigration and Nationality Act, which grants the president the power to set exceptions and limitations on who can enter into the country and for what purpose.